Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. Today we're gonna learn how to set up your fees to show based on the course duration. In case you have a school or a college and maybe you're running courses which go for 4 months, 5 months, 2 months, 12 months. So when you set fees, previously we go to view client and we view this client. So if you view this client, you can see this client is doing what? Let me see. Then when we print the invoice, we're gonna see that it shows monthly fees, full fees. You get me? So full fees, it was showing annual fees. If it shows full fees, it means like this person has to pay 1,000 rand a month, but the full course gonna cost him 4,000. That means this 1,000 times 4, it's gonna be 4 months. So you understand? So that means 4 months. If it was 6, it's gonna show here 6,000. So now what do we do to set up that? Let me say we're gonna change the child. We're gonna create a new course. Let's say let's go to, we're gonna go to view category manager, view client categories. These are courses, that's why we call them client categories. So these courses, there's a gun training and there's a short course and there's Vuchilo. So when you view gun training is sitting on 8 months, right? So then let me go home and see fees and payment manager. We're gonna see fees amount set. We wanna see gun training. How much is that? Gun training is sitting on what? It's on 1,000 rand, right? And also Vuchilo is 1,000 rand, but this one is 4 months, this one is 8 months. So I'm gonna put one of the clients to, I'm gonna edit him and give him to be under gun training, right? So I'm gonna go here and see Msanga. Let me see, Msanga is on. I wanna edit. Before we edit there, look at this. It shows 4,000 and 1,000 rand. So I'm gonna go back and edit this person. I put this person on. Let me see when do what. No, I'm gonna see course, which is rank here. When we change the course, they call it rank. We're gonna put it on what? Gun training, and then we save. Once we save, it's gonna say saved. So then we view members. Then we can say view this person. After viewing this person, we're gonna say print this. When we print this, you can see it shows 8,000. Why? Because this course for gun training takes 8 months and it pays 1,000 rand. If it's 12, make 12. Okay, then now you understand. Then how do we create those courses and give them those months, right? So when you're creating a new course, you go here and say category manager, then you say register client category. So now maybe this course is gonna be let me say end user computing and end user computing. Okay, so this course end user computing, this course takes just 2 months, or let me say 3 months, and after that we can save. Don't worry about other fields. After saving that, we can go after immediately when you create a course, you go to fees and payment manager, then you say set fees. On set fees, you select this course and say how much can a person pay every month. Remember, it's for 3 months. So my course, people pay, I think it's gonna be 6,000. Okay, 6,000. In 3 months, someone can pay how much? That will be 2,000 each. So say a month, this person is gonna pay 2,000 rands, right? Okay, then we save that after setting that fees. So maybe when you register a new client, then when you give that client here on course or rank or package, you select that end user, then you save that person. Once you save that person, so on their invoices it's gonna show that money. So anyway, we set that money, we set the fees. So now if we, after that, we can say go fees and payment manager, then you say fees amount set. Let's see how much. You can say this course pays 2,000 rands, right? Simple. So after that, we know that it pays 2,000 rands. Then there's a person who wants to do that. We can edit the person. We don't want to create a new person. We're gonna say Donald. We view Donald, and we put him. We go and say putting him on what, rank, and say end user computing. We save. After saving, Donald is the only person. Even when you come here, you can see there's one person doing end user computing, this guy. Then we can view this guy and view this guy from here. Then you can see if I print this invoice, it's gonna show that this guy is paying this much. He has only paid 11 rand on that. You get me? You see 6,000. Okay, that's one of the issues some of our clients were asking, that how can we solve that, because it was showing only a monthly payment, annual payments only. So if you have annual, then you can do that. Maybe the cost changes, the money changes, everything change. What you do, you can go to category, then say view client categories. Then you can say, okay, this end user computing we're gonna change. Then you click edit. What are you changing? Instead of 4 months, now it's gonna be 6 months. Maybe the government changed whatever. Maybe also you can change the name. Then you save. After saving that, you're gonna see that if you put it on 6 months and someone pays 2,000 every month, so you can see that the money is gonna increase. Why? Because when you view Donald here, we saw it was 6,000. Now they added more time, so it's gonna be how much? It's gonna be now 12,000 rands, right? But the monthly fees didn't change. But if we want to change it also, we can change it, right? Okay, I think that's it. Once you want, when you want also to change anything, you just go to view category views. Okay, then you can edit. So when you edit, you can edit this. Okay, so that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you in the next video. If you have any issues, please ask, then we're gonna respond to you.